All right, so here's your homework on limits at infinity. So we're looking at what the end behavior is for this homework lesson. So I want to know where the right end is going. If it's negative infinity, where's the left end going? So the only thing it tells me are the power term, the term with the biggest exponent. So all I'm looking for is negative 4x cubed, and understanding it's odd. So first of all, because it's negative, the right end goes down. Because it's odd, that goes in opposite direction. And then I understand that I'm looking for the right end. So what's the answer for the right end? And there it is. So let's see if we can see it again. It can be that simple. The limit as x approaches negative infinity. Identify the power term. Identify it's even and positive. So because it's positive, the right end goes up. Because it's even, both ends go up. They join each other. So where's the left end going? And that's your answer. Number 3, identify the power term. Know that it's positive, so the right end goes up. Odd means the other end goes in the opposite direction. And then what's the x approaches negative infinity? That is the left end behavior, and so the left end is going to negative infinity. Number 4, identify the power. Where are the ends going? So first of all, it's positive, so the right end goes up. It's even exponent, that means the other end joins it, so both ends go up. And then where's the right end? And you have your answer. So the answers here will all be infinity or negative infinity until it's a rational function. So a polynomial is either going up forever or down forever. All right, so I want to know the left end behavior. I want to know the power term. It's negative, so the right end goes down. It has an odd exponent, so that means the other side goes in the opposite direction when it's odd. And then where's the left end going? And we have our answer. Last one like this. So the right end behavior is what I'm looking for. The power term, and it's important that it's negative. So because it's negative, the right end goes down. Because it's an even exponent, the other end joins it. And then the question is, what is the right end behavior? And you can see the answer. All right, the next questions are rational functions. So if you see a fraction with a variable in the denominator, whether it's infinity or negative infinity, this is approaching 0. It's really important to know that. So whether I put in negative a billion or negative 1 trillion, this fraction, the closer you get to negative infinity, the closer this is getting to 0. And it'll never equal 0. It's going to get really, really, really close. So as x approaches negative infinity, this will be 0, but we still have to add 5, and there's our answer. Here, as x approaches infinity, so as you put in large numbers for x on either side, both fractions are approaching 0, and there's your answer. Here, we need to understand the power term. So first of all, it's the left end behavior. The power is 5x, that's the term with the greatest exponent, and 2x. Notice they have the same power, so they divide out, and the answer is 5 over 2. That would be either the left or the right would have the exact same answer. That's really a horizontal asymptote. In number 10, what's the limit as x approaches infinity? Again, I'm looking at the power. And so it's negative, and we have 2x cubed, and then we have 4x squared. So notice the numerator is more powerful. I'm going to reduce it down. So that's negative a half x. And now what's the end behavior? Just like I did at the beginning of the homework. So it's negative, so the right end goes down. It's an odd exponent, so the left end goes in the opposite direction. And it's asking for the right end behavior. So that's right here. So the answer is negative infinity. All right, I think that's your homework, right? So don't do the second page of the homework, but I think I only put the first page of it. So that's it. Mr. G Math over and out. Until next time. Proud of you for doing your homework.